it's me, Alice, and you should already know me from my other videos. And I've got a special guest today, and we're going to be opening these Polly Pockets. And this is my friend.
Hi guys!
Chloe from the Funko Pop video. You should already know her, and I'm super excited. We only just bought these today and I'm so excited. So
Me too.
you can have this one and I'll have this one.
Okay.
Let's get opening.
Yeah.
So we've got to be very careful because I've got a little brother.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah. And they're
So-
little bits as well. They've got like
There's
little
like this
figures.
little mermaid tail.
Okay, should I get? So I've got like this. She's like a music girl. So I've got this like little stand here. We haven't really figured out who's
Her feet are like really jelly and squidgy. Look.
who are they? Could I
Yeah.
feel?
Yeah, you get yours. And
Yeah,
it feels
okay.
really squidgy. And I got
Oh,
this
they
little
feel. So
treasure
this is my
chest box.
person here. And there's the stand I've got, and now I'm gonna get them.
And there's
mixed
like
up.
this tiny dolphin, and she's tiny.
I've got this little bag here.
Wait, what can I show that's big?
Oh.
Okay. Oh, it's all the way over there.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'll get my hamster ball. Guys, this is my hamster ball, and this is the pink dolphin. You can't even see it. That's how small it is. Chloe?
Oh my god.
That's how small it is.
Okay,
So if you have a baby brother or a baby
Yeah.
sister that likes to eat, then do not put these around.
hide them somewhere in your bedroom where they can't find it. Shouldn't they do that, Alice?
Yeah.
Because
So let's get the actual Polly Pocket stuff out.
And before we get them out, I've got this one last little figure. It's like a little box thing here. Okay.
So let's get
Opening.
Okay, it comes with a little chain.
I think yours comes with like a little tail.
Yeah. So mine goes like this, and open the little door.
Oh.
So mine goes like this. Open the door. You see a little pufferfish. And you shut the door, and I've got this like pearl in mine. Super cute.
And
There's the pearl.
yeah. Oh my, does it come out? Or yeah, but that's cool. So I've got like this piano thing here, and I've got like a nice little thing where she dances on and it's spin round. And I've got this nice carpet and some chairs there to watch the dance, and there a nice piano for the music while she dances and people watching her. And it's like a little thing, and it came with like this little keyring thing, so perhaps you can like hook it on somewhere or something. So that's the front of mine. So yeah, I'm gonna try. Wait, just shut it and oh, yeah, I think that's what you do it. Okay, I'm gonna put her on this like dancing thing now. Oh, that is so cool! It sticks to it, guys. It sticks to the thing.
Whoa, that is so cool.
It just sticks to it, and then you can spin her around
Whoa.
like that. That is cool how it sticks to it. I didn't know that.
Does
would
she stick
happen.
to it?
Let's have a look.
Oh,
Oh, no, I'm not sure if she sticks to it, but
that is
yes,
really
that's
cool.
cool. Yeah. And she's spinning around.
And here's my little girl, and here's Polly, I think, in her tail.
So I'm gonna put her on here, this gymnast thing. So, oh,
She dropped her bag.
yeah. So we've got her on her little gymnastics thing. Well, her dance thing she tries practicing on her bag. And she's got a little box
And
thing.
here's all my stuff in the little thing. I tried to set it up good, but
Yeah.
not sitting. Okay, there we go. That's fair. Okay, I'll show you one more time, guys. Super, super, super cute.
So she's got a dance bag there and she's dancing, and right up here she's got her gymnastics shaking a bit.
Okay, right, let's take a look.
It's quite hard to keep them on there, isn't it? And I think this little keychain thing comes on. Let's show them the front of it, yeah. We're going to show you the front of it, aren't we, Alice?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so nice.
And then you can take it anywhere. And you could be like, oh, guys, no one's opened these in school.
Yeah,
We're
because
the first ones.
yeah.
And then you can just open it and show all the little things.
So
to your friends.
these are from Smiths and they're called Polly Pockets, but you need to get there because they are quite, like, there's only a few of them. Some of them you might not like, and these two were the last
Best
ones
ones?
of these two, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and kind of the best ones, yeah. So yeah, guys, you could get there and you can go, and we were looking at these other Shopkin things, weren't we?
Yeah.
And they looked like this, but they only had a charm and a gun, and you put the charm in it, didn't they?
Yeah.
And now we got this for £1 more extra than the other thing we were going to get, and it's got even more, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But they're both cool. But the other things were cool, weren't they? But yeah, this is really cool too. It's nice. Okay.
And then you can style them anywhere.
Yeah, so I'm going to put all my things in here. And it's like a little travel thing as well.
Yeah.
So you can take them places and stuff.
So,
Yeah.
so like,
Yeah.
so she can stand up there.
And then there's
Her hair's
Stand up.
jelly.
yeah, they feel really cool. Sorry.
No!
I know.
Where's your gun?
Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you something. Can I show you?
Guys,
There's a little wind up thing at the bottom
there's a
there.
tiny.
There's like a
little-
wind up thing as you can see that, and that's how you wind her around like that. So that's really cool, guys. I really like that. Oh,
Okay,
where's her gymnast?
yeah. I've got her there.
All her accessories can go there. Oh. We're gonna try to do a few videos today, maybe. Well,
We're gonna try. And there we have two little things.
oh, they're really
And they're really small and you can take them anywhere. Anywhere. So we're going to close up for that video. And this day is sponsored by Hasbro. Or I think a different type. So you can get these all at Smiths. And there's loads of different ones you can get. The
Yeah.
necklaces.
There's a necklace charm thing, but that's a bit more expensive.
Yes.
So we didn't, because we were only allowed, how much were we allowed?
£5 each.
£5 each. So yeah, that's why. But the charm necklace thing was a bit more expensive. So yeah.
We're going to close up for that video. Hope you subscribe, like, and turn on the bell down there. If you already don't know my name, which I told you in the start, my name is Alice.
And my name is Chloe.
And I think we're going to be doing more videos, so go check them out in the link below.
So, bye guys.
subscribe, like. Keep